trust me, staying busy is an addiction, and honestly, I love it. But there's something which I want to address in today's video is that I'm someone who loves my 9 to 5 and my 5 to 9. I'm an assistant professor when I'm at work, and whenever I come back, I always have a content or something to shoot. Now today what happened to me was that मेरा mic नहीं चला, ठीक है? And because of that I couldn't do anything. मतलब I missed it. I was so upset and sad because मुझे ऐसा लगा कि oh God मैंने आज कुछ नहीं किया, and I started feeling useless. So now that is where the problem comes because I realized कि मुझे इतनी ज़्यादा आदत हो गई of doing things, and I have seen this pattern a lot of times, because we are seeing so much on social media जहाँ पे लोग इतना सब कुछ कर रहे हैं, and I am also a part of it. जहाँ पे मुझे लगता है कि no, I have to do something today, I have to do something today, and I literally love it because उसके वजह से if I stay busy, I don't have time for other shits and I don't have time for कि मैं overthink करूँ कुछ और करूँ. So it is somewhere it has become a boon for me, but now I don't I don't like to stay still. I don't like to stay like ऐसे कि बस मैं कुछ नहीं कर रही हूँ. There's really any time when I make sure कि I'm not doing anything and I don't have this guilt. So whenever I'm resting, मुझे एक अंदर से guilt आता है, and that is something which is bothering me because that is not how things should be. If I'm resting, I should be very happy with the fact that yeah, today is my rest day. I will not do anything. But आज ही on Sunday I realized कि because I had things planned कि आज मैंने 2-3 वीडियोस करनी है, मेरा माइक काम नहीं किया. I had this problem. मैंने इतना ट्राई किया, I looked for the YouTube videos and शाम को I had to go to market and get it fixed, but तब तक टाइम हो चुका था कि मैं कुछ और नहीं कर सकती थी. And still I'm making this video because I feel कि oh no, I have to do something, to satisfy my that busy behavior and that ego. I was like नहीं मैं कुछ तो करूंगी. So I decided to make this video, but then I realized कि this thing of me कि मैं आज रेस्ट भी कर सकती थी ना, ये भी हो सकता था कि मैं आज कुछ ना करूं, and I am just here sitting still doing nothing. But I easily I got that point that मुझे guilt feel हो रहा है कि मैंने कुछ नहीं किया. So now this is a problem, and I am going to make sure that मैं future में जाके वो चीज़ करूँ. But if you're someone who is looking to do things, maybe social media will make you feel कि if you're resting, if you're doing nothing, then आपका loss हो रहा है बहुत बड़ा, and maybe you're lagging behind. आपसे लोग आगे चले जाएंगे. This is what social media will do to you because you will see people achieving so much. मुझे आज भी ऐसा लग रहा होता है कि oh my god मैं इतना सब कुछ better कर सकती हूँ, मैं ये कर सकती हूँ, let me do this, let me do that. I want to do 100 things in a single day. And I try to because मुझे अच्छा भी लगता है. It's not that I don't like working. It's not that कि मुझे बस पढ़े रहना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. That is not something which I like. But at times I have to understand that my body and my mind requires me to rest. And being a full-time a teacher and then a part-time creator, it is very difficult for me to manage, of course, both of these. But I've always tried my best, and with that journey I have realized that I have stopped giving myself time to be in a restful situation in a way कि बस हाँ मैं हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ कर ही रही हूँ. I never stay still, and that is a problem for me, I guess. And that guilt is so real. मुझे अभी भी ऐसा लग रहा था कि मैंने आज ये नहीं करना. I have to come back home tomorrow and shoot something, or maybe मतलब जो अभी मेरे वीडियो है maybe मैं लेट ना हो जाऊँ और उसकी वजह से मेरी कुछ the client feel कि अरे तो लेट काम करती है, something like that. That guilt is there. And वो मुझे लग रहा था शाम से I have been thinking कि यार मेरा आज काम नहीं हो पाया, and उसकी वजह से I have spoiled half of my day again because I felt कि oh God मतलब यार मेरा काम ही नहीं हो पाया. And this is not a thing which I've only observed myself. I know there are people who are working and they are literally, I have heard people saying कि यार उनको काम करना इतना अच्छा लगता है, busy रहना इतना अच्छा लगता है. But they are always engaged in something, doing something, shooting something, creating something. कहीं ना कुछ कर ही रहे हैं. They rarely rest. So I'm also a part of it. Now I can't stay still. I'm making this video because I want to be guilt free and think कि नहीं मैंने आज कुछ किया था. And this is also a good habit. I am enjoying it. Again, मतलब it's not that I wouldn't have done it anyways. मैंने हमेशा बनाती because that is what my discipline tells me कि मतलब मुझे कुछ ना कुछ करना है, ठीक है, मुझे आज कुछ बनाना है because I have things to achieve. But I've also understood the fact कि मैं संडे को संडे की तरह भी बना सकती थी. I could have done nothing and just rest because my body and my mind needed it. But the guilt which I have developed inside me, the guilt which I have developed because of social media and the competition which we are seeing these days, I constantly feel this urge कि नहीं मुझे करना है, कुछ ना कुछ तो करना है, मे बी क्योंकि शायद से मैं who knows कि कब क्या चल जाए, who knows कि कब मुझसे कोई आगे बढ़ जाए. That is something which is inside me, and I know it's not going to go away soon. So yeah, but that was just something which I wanted to share because I had this sudden realization that I don't like, to stay still, and I don't like to rest because I have this guilt inside me कि मैंने कुछ नहीं करा. I have this guilt कि maybe कोई और ज़्यादा अच्छा कर लेगा या फिर मेरा आइडिया जो मैं सोच रही थी वो कोई और यूज़ कर लेगा, and something like that. I don't know if you feel the same or not, but it's good if you don't feel the same. But still, I'll say I enjoy being busy because if I'm not doing anything, of course, I'm either consuming a lot of content, either I'm thinking a lot of things, I'm overthinking stupid things. So I love being busy. I will still prefer being busy, but I will also prefer that there must be a time, I must dedicate a day for myself or some time for myself where I don't do anything. I don't do anything. कुछ भी नहीं. बस I'm just staying still. बस मैं rest कर रही हूँ without any guilt. That is a task for me without any guilt because I know ultimately I can stay still. मैं कुछ नहीं करूँगी. But I'll have this guilt कि यार किसी और ने कुछ कर लिया होगा. And whenever I open my Instagram, now I have this community where I see creators doing a lot of things, being so creative. मुझे तो ये भी गिल्ट है कि मैं शायद से उनके बराबर क्रिएटिव नहीं हो पा रही हूँ, बट आई एक्चुअली अंडरस्टैंड द फैक्ट बिकॉज मेरे पे इतना टाइम नहीं है. नॉट अ फुल टाइम क्रिएटर. आई कांट. इट इज वेरी रॉन्ग फॉर मी टू कंपेयर माई सेल्फ विद एनी फुल टाइम क्रिएटर बिकॉज मेरा 9 to 5, not only 9 to 5, मेरा एक्चुअली 7 to 6 goes into my job, and after that I have time to either create something new or maybe have some ideas and anything. एडिटिंग से लेके, स्क्रिप्टिंग से लेके, शूटिंग से लेके, एडिटिंग से लेके मेरे पे बस वही टाइम है. So yeah, but that I've understood, but there are other few things which I have to learn. So just want to tell you to stay busy, of course, doing good things, but if you want it, not because you don't want to, stay still and think about something or reflect on something. Stay busy because you want to, because you have something on your priority. But of course, take time for yourself. कुछ time निकालो जहाँ पे आप खुद के बारे में सोचो, कुछ अपने mind और body को rest दो and do nothing or do something which really interests you. Maybe that's what I think, I guess. So yeah, that's it for today's video, and I really wanted to share these, and I have a lot of ideas. Like, this is one. In my daily life, I observe a lot of things, and I really want to share all of them with you. But still, that guilt वाली चीज़ और the fact कि I don't have enough time. ठीक है, तो मतलब उसकी वजह से मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि यार अगर मैंने आज ये नहीं बनाया तो कोई और कुछ बना लेगा. बिकॉज एक्चुअली मतलब मैंने अपनी लाइफ में देखा ये होते हुए कि देयर वाज वन आइडिया व्हिच वाज ऑन माय माइंड. मैं सोच रही थी मैं इसे वीडियो बनाऊंगी. द नेक्स्ट डे आई सी समवन विद द सेम टाइटल एंड द आइडिया, ठीक है, ऑन माय यूट्यूब. और मुझे लगा शिट मैन. एंड उस आइडिया को एक्चुअली काफी अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स मिला था और मुझे लगा ओ गॉड आई मिस्ड इट अगेन. एंड फ्रॉम दैट डे ऑनवर्ड्स आई हैव डिसाइडेड कि आई वोंट बैकलॉग थिंग्स, और मैं किसी भी चीज को ऐसे बिल्कुल पीछे नहीं छोड़ूंगी. आई मेक श्योर दैट आई डू एवरीथिंग ऑन प्रायोरिटी एंड ऑन टाइम बिकॉज आई कांट अफोर्ड टू नॉट हैव to do whatever I want to share whatever I want to. I can't afford it. I would not like to do that actually. So yes, I will still stay busy, but I'll do it whenever I want it, not because I don't want to stay still and reflect on few things which I should. So yeah, that's for today's video. I hope you like it. I will see you in my next one. Till then, tata bye bye. If you have any other question, feedback or your opinion, feel free to share. I would love to listen and read your comments. Bye bye. Take care.